This is the second part of our walking tour at Macau during the night. What we truly love about Macau is that you will have a visual feast of different culture, architecture, and designs from all over the world. It is like walking in one city where you can enjoy Chinese and Portuguese influences in their houses and buildings. Meanwhile, in the Cotai strip of Macau, you will definitely feel like you are in Las Vegas with the strings of luxurious casinos and shopping malls all lined up. And of course, the Londoner and Parisian attractions will easily take you to the wonders of UK and France. Never ever miss the chance to see Macau at night to fully appreciate its beauty and grandeur. For reviews on places, events, food, and resto, like and share this video and hit subscribe.